Hello students, welcome back to the new session. I am Sachi ma'am. In the last session, we have learnt about the different types of snake boat races in Kerala. Remember? Today we are going to do textual exercises. But before that, let us recall the story. Dear students, here is a beautiful video which will tell you about the snake boat races held in Kerala. Watch this video carefully. I am sure you all will enjoy this video. Now, this chapter tells us about a festival celebrated in the southern Indian state of Kerala. It describes the enthusiasm with which Onam is celebrated. Now, the main event of the festival. Remember the main event? Yes, the famous snake boat race. Now, this chapter gives us a detailed narration of the reasons why these boat races are held with all the fanfare. Now remember students, different types of boat races, different types of events. Yes, very good. Vallamkali of Kerala, one of the most exciting events held in Kerala. Now, when are these races conducted? Remember students? Yes, these races are conducted from August to September. Now the most famous race, any idea? Yes, the Nehru Trophy boat race, one of the most famous snake boat races of Kerala. Now this race is held in the Pannamada Lake. Now remember the oldest boat race? Yes, the Aranmulla boat race, the oldest boat race in Kerala. It is a 2-day event in which the boats race to the Aranmulla Parthasarathi temple. Now remember the longest boat? Yes, the Chandan Vellam, which is about 100 feet long and made from the wild jackfruit tree. Now, the shape of the boat? Yes, like cobra hoods. The curled ends of the boat are shaped like cobra hoods. And the boats are also repaired once a year and sometimes decorated with green and red silk umbrellas. Now, to keep this boat's wood strong, they are also polished with fish oil and coconut shell ash mixed with eggs. Now, remember each boat has a leader and under him there are 3 boats. There are 64 oarsmen. They sing a song. Now a boat called Palyodam. Remember this boat? Yes, filled with food, sails from Katurmanna. Now, what have we learned from this chapter? Remember students? Yes, we should always be kind to others and live in harmony with nature. And also, these boat races are a symbol of great team spirit. Always be together to achieve anything. Yes? Remember students? Solution for the activity. Find out the dishes prepared in Kerala during the festival of Onam. Answer: rice, sambar, rasam, avial, pachadi, pulianchi, thoran, achar, papadam, and payasam. Now let's move to our textual exercises. Mark these statements true or false. First, the snake boat races are held during the festival of Onam. True. Next, the oldest boat race is the Nehru Trophy boat race. False. Why false? Because the oldest boat race is Aranmulla boat race, right? Next, the Aranmulla boat race is held over a period of 3 days. False. Why? Because it is held only for 2 days. Next, Chandan Vellam is made from the wood of the coconut tree. False. Why? Because Chandan Vellam is made from the wood of the jackfruit tree, right? Next, the Palyodam is sailed from Alleppey. False. Why false? Because the Palyodam is sailed from Katurmanna. Next, only the winning boat can sail with the Palyodam. True. Okay, we'll move further. Answer these questions. First one, how did the snake boat races begin in Kerala? The boat races begin in Kerala after a Brahmin started sending food in snake boats to a temple during Onam. He did this in honor of Lord Krishna. Next question. How did the Nehru Trophy race start? Why is it called so? The Nehru Trophy boat race started in Alleppey in honor of the then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Nehru was so impressed by their performance that he awarded the winners a trophy. Next question. If you wanted to see a snake boat race, in which months will you go to Kerala? Answer. The months from August to September would be when we can see the boat races in Kerala. Next question. What is the Chandan Vellam? The Chandan Vellam or the snake boat is about 100 feet long and can sit close to 150 men. The boats are usually made from the wood of the wild jackfruit tree. The curled ends of the boat are shaped like cobra hoods. Sometimes the boats are decorated with green and red silk umbrellas. Okay, let's learn something new. Antonyms. Now, what do you mean by antonyms? A word that is opposite in meaning to another word is called an antonym. For example, enjoyment and boredom are antonyms. Okay, now let's move to the exercise of antonyms. Find the antonyms of these words from the passage. Short, long, unknown, famous, reduced, increased, boring, interesting, poor, rich, disrespect, respect, cruel, kind, free, expensive, separate, together, merged, separated. Okay, now it's time for activity. Match the words in the first column with their antonyms in the second column. Column A, entertain, humble, safety, free, brief. Column B, bound, danger, long, proud boar. I'm sure students you will enjoy this activity very much. And whatever we have done today, please revise everything and please keep reading on the chapter as many times as you can. And students, we end our session over here. Thank you.